Hey, guess what? If you're looking for an amazing 16-foot wide by 8-foot tall door, this is the discontinued model. It's in our showroom. It normally would cost $29,500. We're going to sell it at $12,000, which is like super, super low price. Now, this is an impact rated. If you live in Florida, or even if you're in Hilton Head, someplace along the coast there, any part of Texas where you need something that's impact rated, this is an impact rated product. This can withstand an F5 hurricane probably, but I don't know what it's rated to exactly. We'll give you the details. But this is an amazing door. What I like about it is, if you can walk this way, look, it's got a very, very narrow profile. So you get a lot of glass space, okay, and very little visual disruption. This thing is huge, and it's very, very nice, and it's monolithic glass, and it's very strong, meaning it's not double pane. It's a single pane. It has some coatings on it, but this single pane with 2 layers of glass and then a PVB liner in the middle, which is what makes it so strong. Like I said, normally $29,000, only $12,000 now, and it's going to be going out of here fast because we got to make room for some New Year model stuff that's going to go in here. By the way, I made a very extensive video on this product so you can learn all the details about it. I'm going to put the link down below right here as well, and you can go watch this. I think you're going to find it very interesting. If you're interested in this is cash and carry. We're not going to install it. We just want it out of here at this price, where it's a blowout price. So I know you can appreciate that. All right, enjoy it. Check it out. We'd love to hear from you.